Right, I thought you didn't want to get married. You never got upset.
It's not just cooking. It's our place.
This is Fresh Pet. This is Hank. And to make fresh, healthy food for Hank, we harvest fresh, ship it fresh, and craft it into recipes that are vet developed and because your dog deserves fresh, healthy food just like you. Fresh Pet. Healthy food fresh from the fridge.
At the UPS store, we offer a lot because running a small business takes a lot. That's why we're to help protect your
Not
business.
spicy.
And
the
if
top
your
is quite
business
quick,
is
no spicy.
so
Yeah.
if you're juggling everything else like the boss you are, we're the extra pair of hands store. You can count on us as the shredding and mailboxing, anything and everything to keep you going store. We're proud to put a smile on our customers' faces. #1 best in customer service. Sell in all the places with Shopify. Online, in person, and across social. And track every cha-ching, all in one place. When it's time to sell everywhere, it's time for Shopify. Start your free trial today.
Yeah, thank you for the mention. So I did check that.
Pizza is so stingy, guys, I swear. Like, I'm missing 2 cream and garlic. Watching Bad Boys 2 here.
This is beautiful. Has such a warm feeling, you know? Sort of like a Ben Schweiner's. What's it, Mike? No, it was a V like a bomb.
We're in Barry.
Why don't you have a seat? Ben Wayne.
If you know, you know.
Feng Shui.
Von Sway.